guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another haul क्योंकि I don't know, this year started with a lot of shopping, like seriously. तो कभी कभी कुछ सामान होता है जिस पे we always have eye and we be like कि yes, जब सेल लगेगी ना तो मैं ये सामान खरीदूंगी. क्या आपके साथ ऐसा होता है? क्योंकि मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ों से ऐसे करती हूँ, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि I just buy everything, but I do wait for sale or for some discount to buy. The other day I was sitting on Cashguru. I was just checking out their website to see what offers are going on and I came across this website called nnnow.com. अब अभी जाओ, अभी click करो and you see उस website पे they have lot of good brands like there is Gap, there's Forest Essentials, Sephora, like so many of them. I can just show you right here, you can check out. And then I was going and I saw these two offers running there. So first one was, if you shop anything from Sephora, you get 30% off, like flat into your account. Like that's the best part about Cashguru, and this video is not sponsored. I am just telling you another way how to save your money. तो इन प्रोडक्ट्स पे तो कभी ऑफ नहीं है, तो यू गेट फ्लैट 30% डायरेक्टली इनटू अकाउंट, नॉट इवन कि कोई वाउचर दे रहे कि यहीं से शॉपिंग करो ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. और सेकंड जो ऑफर था वो ये था कि अगर आप फॉरेस्ट कोई भी आप प्रोडक्ट लेते हो 700 का, तो आपको उस पर 400 रुपीज कैशबैक मिलता है. लाइक सीरियसली, मतलब अगर आप गैप के स्टोर से कुछ खरीद रहे हो या फॉरेस्ट एसेंशियल की स्टोर से कुछ खरीद रहे हो, तो आपके पास 400 रुपीज कैशबैक आ रहा है. एंड लाइक दिस इज सो गुड. और मुझे लगा कि डेफिनेटली आपको शेयर करना चाहिए. ऑल्सो कि कभी कभी हमें लगता है व्हेन वी आर स्पेंडिंग सो मच, जैसे मैंने जितना भी सामान खरीदा है वो सेफोरा से खरीदा है, तो आई हैव एक्चुअली यूज दिस 30% फ्लैट वाला ऑफर. बट द थिंग इज कि कभी कभी हमको लगता है दैट क्या ये प्रोडक्ट रियल होंगे नहीं होंगे, व्हाट इज द गारंटी कि एन एंड नाउ से जो प्रोडक्ट्स आ रहे हैं वो रियल है कि नहीं. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप सेफोरा की आप जा सकते हो सेफोरा के स्टोर पर, वहीं से आप सामान खरीद सकते हो और फिर भी आपको ऑफ मिलेगा, विच इज सो गुड क्योंकि आपका कैशगरू का अकाउंट है, विच इज लाइक अमेजिंग. आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा है टू नो कि यार वो रियल प्रोडक्ट्स दे रहे हैं कि नहीं दे रहे हैं. तो आप सीधा यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू सेफोरा एंड बाय दोज प्रोडक्ट. बट ट्रस्ट मी, मैंने COD किया था ना, आई हैव गॉट ऑल द ओरिजिनल प्रोडक्ट्स ओनली एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट. सो नाउ I know, बहुत blabbering हो गई, but now I'm gonna show you what all I shopped from nnnow.com, and if you wanna see what all I shopped, all you have to do is keep watching this video. Let me get started. I don't know, I have this new love for makeup. Like I love makeup, and तो पहले हम start करते हैं. तो सबसे पहली चीज जो सबसे मेरी फेवरेट थी, like I wanted to give this thing to myself on my birthday, and I thought कि यार this is like worth buying and I'll do it. And then when I saw on Cashco that I was getting flat 30, क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि I won't get it later, so I got this Cha-Cha tint, and this is from Benefit. I have heard about their tint so many times and it's so nice. You just put like few drops it and lips, smudge it on your cheeks and smudge it on your lips, and it gives you this very natural glow, very natural tint. तो ऐसा लगता नहीं कि आपने कुछ ब्लशर लगाया. It gives you very natural. तो स्पेशली जब आप मेकअप नहीं पहन रहे हो कोई भी, बस आप थोड़ा सा टिंट लगा लो अपने चीक्स पे एंड लिप्स पे, तो इट गिव्स यू very natural glow, which I personally really like. So this is how it looks and it is very pretty. Also इसमें pink shade भी है, but I got a peachy one, so this is how it looks. And ये बहुत natural glow देता है. I really liked it, and yes, I just loved it. और मुझे ये 30% पे मिल गया था. So the next thing I got is this mascara from Benefit. I love Benefit, and Benefit is known for their tint and mascaras. So I bought this mascara, and सबसे पहले let's just appreciate how this bottle looks. It looks so pretty. It's a roller lash mascara, and इसका wand is also very good. And because these products are on a little higher side, but they're worth buying for. Trust me, it gives you very nice curl to your lashes, also very good volume, and I really like this one. It's so good. I'm also I've used it today also, and I'm really impressed. But the best part is कि सब लोग जब उसे उसके एक्चुअल प्राइस पे ले रहे थे, तब मैं उसे ऑफ पे ले रही थी. But now you can also avail this, and Next thing. Okay, so next thing is I got this Smashbox concealer. This is the Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. I just love this concealer. I've been using the Maybelline one for the longest time, guys, but then I wanted to switch into something new, and that's why I got this. And this concealer has a very high medium high coverage, which I really like. So sometimes what I do is I only wear concealer under my eyes, though even I don't have that much of under eyes, but sometimes you need something, so I just wear this concealer and nothing else on my face. Like even right now I just have this concealer under my eyes and nothing else. I love it. And if you're of my shade, you can go to light to medium shade, which I really like. Also इसमें थोड़ा yellow tone है, तो it's good. Pictures अच्छी आती हैं if you wear a little yellow tone. I really like this concealer, and I can give you a big thumbs up if you want to go for this one. Also for the lip tint, these are the two things you should definitely buy if you're looking for like really good products. And next, now I am gonna show you 4 products which जो मैंने Sephora के own products खरीदे हैं, like their in-house kind of products. So first thing is this Sephora waterproof makeup remover. तो आपको पता है I've been using this Garnier makeup remover, and then I wanted to try something else. इसलिए मैंने, if you see, I bought the smaller bottle because मुझे नहीं पता था if it's gonna be good or not. So I bought this one and it is very good. Waterproof triple action cleansing water plus oil. तो अगर आपने देखा होगा तो गार्नियर में भी 2 आते हैं, एक तो माइसलर वाटर वाला, एक ऑयल वाला. सो द ऑयल वाला क्या होता है, द बेस्ट पार्ट है इट रिमूव्स योर waterproof makeup also, like your lipsticks and your mascaras, matte lipsticks and all. But this is also very good. I've just tried once or twice and I quite like it. And I think it's worth buying for. It's really nice, very gentle on your skin, even though this has oil, but it doesn't make your skin very oily. So that's what I love about this. And next is lipstick. आपको पता है मेरा lipstick obsession, मतलब I can just not have. I think any one of us cannot have enough of lipsticks. So this one is I bought, and this is again very coral lipstick, like how I had my tint. So there was a time जब मैं सिर्फ ना coral lipsticks पहनती थी और वही blushes लगाती थी, and then I went to the nude and pinkish tone, but now I think I'm coming back to coral. So yes, this is how it looks, and it is so pretty shade, guys. This is very pretty. I really like this, and I think Valentine's Day के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा color है. So boys, if you are watching this, you can give this to your girlfriend and anyone. Girls, you can buy it for yourself also if you're single. So yes, a easy smoke eye pencil. Now how this is work, this is like magical. अगर आप if you are someone like me who just can't do smoky eyes, like I can do it, but उसमें क्या होता है, it's a long procedure. You take little eyeshadow, you smudge it, then you put kajal, you smudge it, then you put another eyeshadow and smudge it. So आपको बहुत आराम से करना पड़ता है. But with this thing, what I found out is that you just put a line here, ठीक है, and then there's a brush behind it. Okay, smudge your brush and then you just smudge it like this. एक तो ये बहुत easily smudge हो जाता है, and then it's very good if you love to do smoky eyes. You are definitely gonna love this. I just love this product, and so this is my 3rd favorite product out of the haul. And now the last thing I have is a Sephora liner, and this is a metallic liner. Basically, it's not a matte finish liner, but it's just a metallic liner. So you can see it is very pretty. The only thing is मुझे ऐसा लगा that I feel that it's little watery for me. तो I didn't I'm a person who like very bold liners, but then I felt कि मैंने metallic order किया था, but I think it's little watery, so I don't know if it will be if you guys are gonna like that much. But I am okay with this product. I would genuinely say that. So this is the product, and maybe for everyday wear it's okay, but when you want to go for a party, I think we all need something bold and matte. So yeah, so I'm just okay with this product, and that's how I end my haul. So this was my mini nnnow.com haul, and this video is, guys, not sponsored at all. I bought all these products, and I really happy with how these Cash Karo people are giving you offers, because you actually end up saving a lot, and that too you get into your own account. In case you didn't get it in my last video, how to shop from Cash Karo, because I feel there were a lot of questions in my comment section below कि ये कैसे होगा कैसे नहीं होगा. I am going to show you a little bit छोटा सा tutorial type, ताकि आपको समझ में आ जाए in case if you didn't get it last time.
सबसे पहले आपको टाइप करना है cashkaro.com. अगर आप वो लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे जो मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया है, तो स्ट्रेट अवे 25 रुपीज़ का कैशबैक मिलेगा into your account, and then this page will come. अगर आपके पास एंड्रॉयड है तो प्लीज़ आप ऐप डाउनलोड कर लीजिए. And then I went to nnnow.com website, and this is the offer running right now, so I choose this, and then you can choose any of the either option. So I'm using the fashion offer. Once you choose that, it will take you directly to nnnow.com website, and then this page will open. You'll see a lot of brands there. So for example, I'm choosing Gap, and then you can choose the categories you want. There's so many options, so I chose dresses, and then you can check out what all is good. Like, I really like this black dress, so I'm gonna put this into my cart and then give them my basic details like the size and the color I want, and then add this to my bag. If you want to shop more, you can continue shopping, but because I'm showing you, तो मैं आपको सिर्फ दिखा रही हूँ कि कैसे करना है. तो आप once you open the bag, you can straight away go check out. I've already kept a product from Force Essential, so okay, and then you can check out. After that, once you check out, you'll see this one option where it says collect from the store. So in case अगर आपको लग रहा है कि प्रोडक्ट शायद असली आए या नहीं आए, तो आप स्टोर से भी कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज आई हैव डन COD and that's okay. And then you fill your basic details they want. एक बार आप वो डिटेल्स भर देंगे, देन आपका पेमेंट ऑप्शंस आ जाएगा. आप कोई भी चूज़ कर सकते हैं, कैश ऑन डिलीवरी, बट आई एम चूजिंग क्रेडिट कार्ड, एंड देन you can just give your details and place the order. Very easy to do this.
Also, I want to make one thing very clear that जब आप शॉपिंग करते हैं तो आपके डायरेक्टली आपको एक मैसेज आता है कि आपको ये पैसे जो हैं आपके अकाउंट में आ गए हैं, लाइक आपकी कैश करो अकाउंट में आ गए. पर जैसे ही वो प्रोडक्ट आपको मिल जाता है, और आप, क्योंकि ना आपको पता है कि हर प्रोडक्ट को वापस करने की एक वो होता है कि एक लिमिट होती है, तो अगर आपने वो 1 महीने तक वो प्रोडक्ट वापस नहीं किया, उसके बाद आप वो पैसे कैश करो अकाउंट से अपने अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. और मैंने ये किए हैं और मेरे अकाउंट में आए हैं, एंड आई हैड अ वेरी गुड experience with Cash Karo, and that's why I'm sharing this with you कि that's when you get it into your account. और या तो आप उसको अपने अकाउंट में ले लीजिए, या आप कोई गिफ्ट कार्ड बना लीजिए, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं आप बेसिकली. एंड आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, और अगर आपको पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज इसको एक बड़ा थम्स अप दीजिए, एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. मुझे कॉमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए कि हाउ मच मनी आर यू सेविंग फ्रॉम Cash Karo. And I have saved a lot. I'll be coming with more hauls because I've literally shopped a lot, like a lot. So please check out. I will see you super soon. Take care. Bye bye.